before you invest into cryptos, you have to know your why. Why are you invested in cryptos? Is it because you find some projects that you like, you want to invest in the team? Or do you want to invest in crypto because you want to get rich tomorrow? You have to make a decision. It cannot be both. If you're in it for the long term, for the next 24, 36, 60 months, in my opinion, I don't see the need to be worried. If you did your research and you get in some projects, right? It doesn't really matter what the fear and greed index is. You in it for the long term. Because when you invested, you believe in the project. You believe the next 5, 10 years that project's gonna do something special. But if you invested last night thinking that you'll get rich tomorrow, well, right now, this is probably not the right investment for you. Listen, crypto is a high risk, high rewards kind of investment. I think the last 2 weeks reminds us why, again, you should not invest what you cannot afford to lose. The Terra Luna debacle reminds us of that. You can win a lot, also you can lose a lot. For me, I'm in it for the long term, the next 5, 10, 25 years. I believe blockchain technology and cryptos is the future. So find out your why you in it. If you're in it for the short term, this is probably the right investment for you. But if you're willing to go into long term, this is probably going to reward you in the long term. In my opinion, and this is no way, shape or form financial advice. If you did believe in the projects, now you can find some real good projects that's 60, 70% off discount. But if you want to get rich tomorrow, well, you probably want to find some kind of other investment. Crypto is not it right now. If you can find something that you like, something that you can get behind, I believe this is the right time to get in right now. The market goes up and down, doesn't matter. Bitcoin was traded around the same time last year, around $40,000, and went down to that same $29,000 in July and went up to almost $69,000. That was 2021. We've been here before. We have seen this before. I understand a lot of you guys are new into cryptos, but this is the way it goes. It goes up and down. It's a roller coaster. But if you're in it for the long term, you need to stop watching the market. Believe the next 24 to 36 months, as long as the projects that you put your money in, you believe in the people behind that project, I don't think you should be worried. Matter of fact, I think you should dollar cost average your investment right now. Don't worry about the fear and greed index. The fear and greed index is always going to go up and down based on what the market is doing. That shouldn't be your concern. If you're in it for the long term, don't worry about it. Find out your why. Once you do, find projects, do your research, find projects that you can get behind, and then forget about the market. Believe in what you invested in first. Research. Don't FOMO into anything unless you do your due diligence and your research, right? And you'll be all right. And I believe you'll be fine. I don't even want to do a financial segment today. The total market cap right now is at 1.3 trillion. So yeah, guys, find out your why you're in cryptos in the first place. Find projects that you can get behind and relax. Don't invest what you cannot afford to lose. Once you do that, dollar cost average every day, and then you'll be all right. I think that you'll be all right. Not financial advice, of course. I'll see you in the next one.